Because risotto is a very serious business. It is a labour of love. Hello, I'm Tama Carey and I'm in the AEG kitchen today cooking a risotto cake with an aromatic fennel dressing and delicate herbs. I've always used a lot of herbs in my cooking. Herbs give a beautiful freshness and they also give a counterpoint to really rich flavours. So it means you can have those really rich dishes with lots of oil and lots of butter, and the herbs kind of cut through it and give balance to dishes. So this dish has all of the textures. You're having a risotto, but you're having it with slightly different texture than you normally would. In India and Sri Lanka, it's all about that crispy rice, and I think the textural interplay between having really crispy rice and having that creaminess that you get from a risotto, that kind of idea of texture was how this dish came about. When you bite into the cake, you've got the creaminess of the risotto, you've got a crunchy, crisp exterior, and then all of the delicate herbs on top give kind of crunch and bite, different pops of flavour. This is a risotto cake with fennel dressing and delicate herbs.